this video, we will learn how you can automatically add ConvertKit form submission details in Excel sheet. So let's say you want every time a form is submitted in ConvertKit, its details should be added as a row in Excel sheet. So we are going to automate this entire process using Pabbly Connect. Come to my screen to see how we do it. To automatically add form submissions of ConvertKit to MS Excel, let us first go to Pabbly's website. You can see the landing page of Pabbly. On the top right, you can see two options, sign in and sign up free. Well, if you sign up free, you will get free tasks every month. So do not forget to sign up. Since we already have an account, we will just sign in. Pabbly Connect. On the top right, you will see a Create Workflow button. It will ask you to name. We will write ConvertKit to MS Excel. Save. Okay. So now it will show you two windows, trigger and action. A trigger can be when this happens, action says do this. So our entire automation would work on these two steps, trigger and action. Let us understand this with the help of an example. A trigger can be when a purchase is made, the action can be send a confirmation message to the owner or customer. In our case, a trigger can be whenever a form is submitted on ConvertKit, the action can be add the form response details in an Excel sheet. So let us begin and select ConvertKit as a trigger application. The trigger event, we will select new form subscriber. It triggers when a submission occurs. Connect. Add new selection. So now it will ask you for API key and API secret key. So for that, now we will go to ConvertKit account. Okay, so here we come, the dashboard of ConvertKit. On the top right corner, you will see a drop down. Click there and go to settings. Now scroll down and you will see advanced option in the left bottom side, left bottom corner, advanced. All right, if you scroll down now, you will see your API key. This is the API key. Let's just copy it, come back to Pabbly and paste it. Now it needs an API secret key. So for that, let us again go back to ConvertKit. And here you can see API secret. So just click on show and this is the key. Copy it, back to Pabbly Connect, paste it and save. It's connected. So now you will see it has already fetched the forms that I had created in ConvertKit. Charlotte form, Claire form, one newsletter. These are the forms I have in my ConvertKit account. I'll show you. You can see these forms, Charlotte form, Claire form, one newsletter. So now I want to select the form, Claire form 1. So I want whenever any submission is made on this form, the details should be added in Excel sheet. Okay. So now let us just save and send test request. So you will see it is showing waiting for response. So now what we want to do is we will quickly do a test submission. So to see if Pabbly and ConvertKit are connected, for that I'll take you to one of my forms, that is the Claire form 1. I'll show you here. This is the Claire form 1. Like you can see, I added these details. I just wanted two details, email address and first name. If you want more, you can just click on plus button and add more details. After finalizing the templates and the details, the fields that you have to add in, you can just click on save and publish, and then it will generate you a link, a share link, using which you can use your form like this. Here is the form. So now let us quickly do the test submission. So you can see I filled the test details here, just the dummy details. Subscribe. And now it says it's confirmed, it's submitted. Now let us come back to Pabbly and you will see it's waiting for response. Now it will capture the same response And you can see Pabbly has received the response. You can see the first name demo, email address demo@pabblytudes.com. These details, the form details are captured here. So this means we have successfully connected ConvertKit with Pabbly. Now on to the next step, that is the action step. Let us click on action and select Microsoft Excel as our action application. For the action event, we will select Add Row to Worksheet. So what will happen is whenever a new response is received here in this Clear Form 1 on ConvertKit, the data will be added as in a new row in Microsoft Excel. So let us now connect the two, add new connection. Okay, since I'm already logged into my account here, I will not have to give my credentials. Yes, I will just give the permission. Okay, it says authorization successful. It's processing. And now you will see in the workbook section, it will show all the sheets that are created in my Microsoft Excel account like this, Jira, Discord, and so on. So I want to work on ConvertKit on this spreadsheet. I'll show you here. This is the one, ConvertKit. So I want whenever a new submission is made on ConvertKit, the form details like first name and email should be added here. Okay, coming back to Pabbly. I've selected the workbook. Worksheet remains the same as it is. You can see sheet 1. So it is captured there. Now we will have to give in these details. That is the first name and email as it shows here. You can see in the sheet. Alright, so let us map in. We'll take it from here. We'll map it from here, ConvertKit. So the first name is here, demo. We can take it from here. But before we use this name, you must be wondering where exactly are we getting these details from. So for that, I will take you to step 1 where I connected ConvertKit with Pabbly, did a test form submission and received this response. That is the first name, email address. So Pabbly brought exactly this response, these details over here, and that's how we are going to map it. So now for the first name, let us just select from ConvertKit, demo. Again, for the email, we'll go to here, ConvertKit, and select the email address. Okay, before we proceed further, I would like to tell you something about mapping. The best part about mapping is once we have mapped in these details, so these fields, the mapped fields like first name and email from next time will automatically be updated. So what will happen is when a next user fills the form, submits a form, these fields here, first name and email will automatically be updated. Pabbly will automatically pick their first name and email and you will not have to write it again. So now let us do a save and send test request. And you will see we have received the response, these values, the first name, the email address, the row ranges in our sheet, Excel sheet, and so on. So now let us go to our Excel sheet and see if these details were added in a row there. Okay, and this was our sheet and you can see the first name is added, the email is added. In case if you don't see it in the first time, just refresh your Excel sheet and you will surely be able to see the added row. So this means we have successfully integrated Microsoft Excel and ConvertKit using Pabbly Connect. I hope this video was helpful for you. For more such videos, you can subscribe to our channel on YouTube. For further queries, you can visit forum.pabbly.com and you can also check our pricing details at www.pabbly.com.